13.86%. You know that? What is it? SWE bench. What? It is a benchmark designed for evaluating large language models like ChatGPT 4 on real world software issues collected from GitHub. And currently, the winner of this SWE benchmark race is Devin AI by Cognition Labs. And in this race, your favorite ChatGPT 4 come on 5th place. Only few people are eligible for accessing Devin AI. And if you wanted to be one of them, then watch this video till end. Devin AI emerged from Cognition Labs' ambitious goals to create the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. This is very scared. Not yet. They also said that the concept was to build an AI capable of understanding and executing complex software engineering tasks, mirroring the ability of highly skilled human programmer. Now comment me what you think about this. For now, let's move forward. Devin AI has potential to build applications from initial design to final implementation, handling various aspects like coding, integrating functionalities, and testing. So the question is, what is left for you? Answer is deployment. No. Beyond development, Devin AI has ability to autonomously deploy apps to platforms like Netlify. Devin AI autonomously detect and fix bugs in code. It can identify errors and implement fixes for enhanced code quality and reliability. Now again, I am asking a question from beginners. What is left for you? Contributing an open source project? Nothing. Why? Because Devin AI is capable of contributing to open source project. It can autonomously handle issues and feature requests, enriching the open source community with its programming capabilities. It can train and fine-tune large language models. It can optimize these models for improved performance and accuracy. Handling GitHub repository is another functionality where Devin AI excels. It can manage repositories, implement changes, and perform updates. Advanced programming skills. In this skill, Devin can manage and execute complex software engineering tasks, and it is able to handle programming challenges that would demand a high level of human expertise. Devin AI has built-in code editor and shell for to write, edit, and test code effectively, just as a human developer would. It has also had sandbox compute environment for high security of development process. It has real-time progress reporting for allow team members to monitor Devin's work, and feedback integration. In this feature allows Devin AI to process input from human collaborators and refine it, give better strategies for project requirements. Only those people and organizations get early access of this tool sheet, who can provide valuable feedback for its development. This includes software development team, AI researchers, and tech companies looking to innovate their development process. Interested parties can apply for access through Cognition Labs official channel by providing relevant detail about their project and needs. You will find this all link in description below, and comment me below the answer of, as a software engineer, what is left for us. And like, share, subscribe my channel for latest update of AI and accessing free AI tools. And if you wanted to make resume in the latest format of 2024, then you should watch this video. For now, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep updating yourself.